I don't blame anyone for this. I've recently been putting a lot of attention in understanding the economic and geopolitical situation of the world. And until I started to, I thought it was chill. It was okay. Nothing was. And then you start to put your head into it. I think what happens is for each and every one of us, we have limited capacity as humans. Like we can focus on 10 topics, right? 15. And if AI is not one of them, it doesn't really exist to us. And don't blame me, because honestly, I'm never coming back to speak to you. Next year, you're probably going to invite my avatar, right? So, and I promise you that's the truth. Before I came here yesterday, just for the fun of it, I asked Gemini and ChatGPT, I said, give me a 35-minute speech on AI and read me minutes 2 to 4. Yeah, it did sound a bit like a politician, but it made a speech, right? And it's quite interesting how we ignore that, because with something like ChatGPT 4.0, which came out this week, it not only prepared the speech, but it now can also laugh with me and sing with me and, tell me things. It sounds very Californian to me, but anyway, I've lived with Californians long enough to put up with it, right? But it's real. It is real.